CELEBRATE। सब जो है कि बहुत पुअर फैमिली से ही हैं बच्चे हमारे यहाँ जो पढ़ते हैं। बिना सैलरी के कितने दिन पढ़ाएंगे हम लोग?
The future is cast in shadow for nearly 2 million children studying in madrasas in India's Uttar Pradesh. The government has cut funding for their teachers' salaries, and cuts mean the teachers might lose their jobs. Madrasas have often been the only source of education for millions of Muslim children coming from poor and marginalized backgrounds. But in many towns and villages like this one, free education in madrasas has also helped poor children from other communities. These madrasas have filled the void in a country where public schools are short on both resources and tutors, and private schools expensive for many.
कोई ऐसा घर नहीं था जिसके बच्चे न पढ़े हों।
I spoke to the families in the neighborhood. They were anxious.
I can't send my daughter to government high school. It's very far away.
हम लोगों को इतना पैसा है नहीं।
We are poor, have meager incomes. We can't afford private schools.
The teachers taught maths, science and English under a government program aimed to bring madrasa students at par with modern education. The federal government has now ended this 2-decade-old scheme. Salaries stopped much earlier.
और इसका हम एक प्रयोग के माध्यम से जो है
Science teacher Ajay Sharma didn't get a regular pay for over 5 years. His state stipend of $36 a month has been stopped too, leaving him with no income.
हम तो कुछ खेती बाड़ी का काम अपना घर करते हैं। अब हम लोग अपना
Even with a postgraduate degree, I work as a farm labor after school. We're struggling financially, but no one listens to us. This stipend was our last hope.
The Ministry of Minority Affairs, which governs these schools, has not responded to BBC queries. Muslims are a minority in mainly Hindu India. As the majoritarian political rhetoric grows louder, critics say madrasas are losing government favor.
Only 4% children, they go to madrasas, poorest of the poor among Muslims, but the impact on community is 100%. I think we need a national law that regulates madrasas and give some kind of reform, not only reform them, give them a fresh lease of life rather than trying to obstruct it.
Caught between the politics and the bureaucracy, the promise of education that reaches every child in India is becoming harder to achieve. Archana Shukla, BBC News, Varanasi.